In the world of smartphones, finding a perfect companion for a photographer like me can be challenging. But today I have the all new Oppo Find X6 Pro, which promises to elevate your photography to a whole new level. And for all of you photography nerds, this device features a 1-inch sensor and it can shoot 10-bit RAW. So I have been using this device for a couple of days and I have to say, this is the best camera on a smartphone I have ever used. So let's start with unboxing and then we will dive deep into this amazing camera smartphone. Let's go. The Oppo Find X6 Pro arrives in a sleek and well-designed box with the Oppo Find X6 Pro labeling. Inside, we find the phone. Get it? Find the phone with a 100-watt SuperVOOC charger, a USB-C cable, and a stylish case. It's evident that Oppo has paid attention to the details. The Oppo Find X6 Pro feels very premium. The curved glass with this leather finished back feels comfortable to hold. The camera module is neatly integrated into the frame. Also, it is a good resting place for your finger. Okay, so let's start with the heart of this photography beast, the 1-inch sensor camera, a feature that takes mobile photography to a new heights. With larger pixels and exceptional light gathering capabilities, the Find X6 Pro delivers stunningly detailed and high resolution images that truly stands out. Whether capturing breathtaking landscape or intimate portraits, the camera's superior performance ensures vivid colors and an impressive dynamic range, making every shot a work of art. I took this beast out for some low-light portraits. The Oppo Find X6 Pro's low-light performance blew me away. The shots were sharp, noise-free, and remarkably well lit, even in challenging conditions. The low-light portraits looks beautiful, and I have also tried some astrophotography with this device. I mean, really? These shots are taken on a smartphone? I still can't believe my eyes. So I have to admit, as a photographer, this level of performance out of a smartphone is an absolute game changer. The Oppo Find X6 Pro is a cutting-edge flagship smartphone that features an impressive array of top-tier specs. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset built on a 4nm processor, ensuring seamless performance and energy efficiency. With a massive 512GB of UFS 4 storage and a staggering 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, security is enhanced with an under-display fingerprint sensor, offering a convenient and secure method to unlock the phone. The phone is also IP68 certified, making it dust and water resistant. The Oppo Find X6 Pro features an impressive display with cutting-edge specifications that promise a captivating visual experience. It features a large LTPO3 AMOLED panel that offers stunning clarity and vibrant colors. With support for 1 billion colors, the display ensures lifelike and true-to-life visuals. And the 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a stunningly high resolution ensures vivid and true-to-life colors that are crucial for reviewing and editing my photographs on the go. The wide color gamut and excellent contrast ratio allows me to accurately assess the nuances in my images, helping me achieve that desired visual impact in my shots. Worried about your phone running out of juice during a long photo shoot? Fear not. Oppo Find X6 Pro comes with a big battery that can easily last throughout extensive use. And when it's time to charge, The 100-watt superhook charger gets your back and running in no time, so you won't miss a single shot. As a photographer, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is kind of a dream smartphone. The amazing camera capabilities with this long-lasting battery and the beautiful display with this amazing performance of this device makes it a worthy companion of any photography enthusiast. And if you are someone looking for a photography-focused smartphone which can elevate your photography to a next level, this is the smartphone, and I highly recommend this device. And lastly, I want to add something. So you guys know that Oppo always use this term that inspiration ahead, and this is the device where creativity meets innovation.